It was a long night for Newcastle yesterday at the Camp Nou. Barcelona defeated Newcastle 7-2. Now, if I ever hear any Premier League fan saying that the Premier League is more competitive than the La Liga, me and that Premier League fan will get problem. Some fans are saying that if Barcelona plays in the Premier League, that Barcelona will even beat Newcastle or even beat Everton. That Barcelona will find it difficult to play in the Premier League. That rubbish should stop. For me, the La Liga is more better than the Premier League. Barcelona defeated Newcastle 7-2. This same Newcastle who defeated Chelsea at the Premier League, at Chelsea's home. So that rubbish that the Premier League is more competitive, the Premier League plays more better football than the La Liga should just stop. If Barcelona plays in the Premier League, Barcelona will go home with the league 4 straight, the way Man City did it. So that's just it. Barcelona have qualified to the quarterfinal, and Barcelona will be facing Atletico Madrid at the quarterfinal. So kudos to Barcelona, kudos to Hansi Flick. Barcelona at the ball. Newcastle use their eyes see shege. Next time if Newcastle hear Camp Nou, if they hear Camp Nou, they go chop up who come.